Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you guys this makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna use is my moisturizer. So I'm not using a primer because I'm out of it, and instead of primer I'm using my setting spray. The next thing is a foundation. I really love this one and I swear by this one. After Fit Me, I really like this one and I'll use just a little bit because I want a natural look. So yeah, I'll dot down onto my face. I think I'm gonna use a little bit more. Because my forehead is left. Next I'm gonna take a beauty blender. Beauty blender. Please ignore the sounds. My family doesn't stop blabbering, so yeah. I want a natural finish. I don't want that. I'm not applying concealer because it feels really heavy, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of more foundation just to hide my spots that I don't want you to see. So you can see the foundation is done. Next I'm gonna use this powder from Rimmel London Stay Matte Beauty Blender and take a little bit of powder onto here, and I'm gonna set this. I don't want big everything, but I want my under eye to feel better. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder in here, and I am not. Next, I'm gonna fill these babies. I just go with the flow, like clear my eyebrows are done, and next I'm gonna do is the contour, blush and highlight. I'm not too going for blush because I don't want to look like that blushy pink. I'm gonna take the brown, the contour powder, and I'm going to just use it as a blush. Because I like to use this transparent shade to just neutralize everything, and I'm going to shade in this. Take this glitter eyeshadow that I got from Nika. It's from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to dot a little bit of that onto my lid. Just don't go overboard with this, okay? It's a very good. I don't think so you can see the camera. A little more into this. Next I'm going to take this palette that is from Revolution, and I'm going to take this shadow, this blue color, and I'll take a small brush. And I'm going to just do eyeshadow because I'm wearing this blue outfit, so I really want my lower lash line to look little blue. Yeah. You can see. I'm just going to extend it to end. That's my brother Mohit. OP in the chat. This is what happened. I'm going to extend it a little bit, and I'm gonna take this green eye pencil. I'm going to fill my waterline with this green. Next, I'm going to dust off the excess powder. Next, I'm going to do my lashes. I misplaced my eyelash curler. Step is to apply a highlighter. Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. So the makeup look is done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. And there's a special announcement that I'm going to be posting videos every Sunday, so get excited.